Is your device banned on Snapchat? What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily unban your device on Snapchat. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's just jump right in. So if your account or your device is banned from Snapchat, then it's most likely that you've violated certain community guidelines or certain terms and conditions. In that case, the only thing you can do is appeal for your device, or if your account is banned, you can do that as well. So for this, open up your browser and search for Snapchat support. And once you search for Snapchat support, you are just going to go ahead and tap on the first option right here, Snapchat support. Now you will be taken to the official website for Snapchat support. So if you scroll down, you have multiple options here. So what you can do is tap on managing my account and tap on my account is locked. And you might find some helpful articles here, but if you don't find it helpful, you can tap on no and then choose why you didn't like the article. Now what you can do is tap on the left side of your screen right here, and you will have multiple options here as well. Now, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom on Contact Us, you can submit a report. So from here, you can tap in I can't access my account, and you can choose your problem type here. So it could be I think my account was compromised, account was locked, device banned, or temporarily disabled. So you can just tap on this. Now from here, what you can do is tap on this here button right here or the link. Now you'll just have to log into your Snapchat account and you will be taken to the support page where you have an option to add a description. So shortly explain them that you haven't done anything wrong and it was a mistake that your account was banned or your device was banned, and then submit the report and they'll get back to you right here on your email. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.